Bonjour. Today I'm going to make a really stupid, dumb video and I'm going to put a whole bottle of conditioner on my hair. I am going to go shampoo my hair. It's actually wash day, so I'm just going to brush it out, go shampoo it, come back, and we're going to put this all on my hair together. Okay, now that I've sorted out my hair, let's do this. Never used this much conditioner in my entire life, and it's not even the whole bottle yet. That's still not even all of it. Oh my god. Maybe I should title this video putting toothpaste on my hair. It's going everywhere. I did not think this through. I thought it would feel really nice. It feels freaking gross. Could this damage my hair? Surely not. But I'm not going to leave it on too long. We've still got quite a bit to go. It's really cold and it's really heavy, and usually obviously I wouldn't put conditioner up in my roots, but for the video I'm gonna do it. It looks like I've put bleach in my hair. It's going everywhere. There's still so much in here. There's no more hair left to put it on. It's just like cementing it in now. Okay, I think I can safely say I've got as much out of there as I possibly can. Okay, I'm done. This is disgusting. I'm not enjoying this. Let's go shower. That's it. Oh my god. So I just dropped my effing camera, fell off the tripod onto the ground. I'm done washing my hair. Here's my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry and we'll see if it looks or feels any different. Okay, hello, I am back. It's a new day. It's a gloomy day. I decided to just let my hair air dry in braids because it was just easier and quicker than styling it, and I just didn't feel like heat styling it. I did my braids slightly differently. Oh wow, it's gone zigzag. It's like my zigzag hair tool. Putting a whole bottle of conditioner on my hair did nothing spectacular for my hair. It was literally just an interesting little experiment. When it started to air dry yesterday, it felt really dry. It has a really strong smell though, like really strong. Thank you for watching my stupid dumb video. Check out my channel for more hair videos and more other content as well. I also have my Instagram where I'm posting more style content. I have my TikTok where I've started posting Bratz content, and I have Patreon where I post like vlogs and like more of my personal life. So you can check those all out below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.